Hello everybody, Johnny Allen Car Kid here, and I'm going to make this a pretty short, quick video because there's not really a whole lot to show. But I'm going to real quick show you guys, one, how you change your rotors on your 350Z, it's really easy, but also how these eBay rotors have held up. So I made a video a long time ago installing the cheapest rotors on eBay, drilled and slotted, and I've had them on for, I want to say like a year and a half, maybe 2 years, I'm not even sure exactly. And, oh yeah, that's my spacer. In case you guys didn't know, I run an 1.5 inch spacer in the back. But, yeah, these are definitely gone now. Very much gone. There's a nice little lip on there. So we're going to change these out. Going to change these pads. Even though the pads have some life left in them, we're just going to change them anyway. In fact, these are actually the wrong pads. These are performance pads for the other brake style. I'm going to show you guys how to take this out. It's actually really simple. I actually have to take off this wheel spacer in order to do it. So hopefully that comes off. Old rotor, new rotor. Yes. Yeah, these are just as cheap, just look a little bit different. Oh, also the slots are different too. The holes are different. The holes are smaller. That's actually probably a good thing. Less likelihood that they'll crack in between them if they're smaller. But these are always a problem because of the handbrake in there, the horseshoe. It always wants to make this be very difficult to come off. So I'm gonna have to work at this for a bit to get this to come off, and then I'll show you guys the new one. Oh, excuse me, I'm so sorry. Then I'll show you guys the new one going on. So that side I'm having trouble getting the rotor off for some reason, but this side it came off just fine. Just replaced it, nice and fresh and new. So I'm gonna, this time, anti-seize these. I didn't do that before, but anti-seize these. And then put the spacer back on, put the wheel back on, and this side is gonna be all done. Also got the new pads in there, gotta go bed those. I had to learn how one beds their brakes, but I think you just like get to like 60 miles an hour and like stop quick and then do that like 5 times, something like that. Maybe something like that. But, alright, I'm gonna get the wheel back on, get this side situated, finish up that side, then get to the front. Alright, after a lot of PB blaster and a hammer, got that side finished. That side was already finished. So now we moved on to the front. So these are also pretty clapped out, but these should be really easy. They come right off. Just take off the caliper. Now we got a 22 back there, 22 mil. Take off the caliper, decompress it with the flathead. Take off the rotor, put the new one on, put the rotor back on. Good to go. That's pretty much it. And just like that, I am already done. So guys, changing your rotors on your 350Z or any car is pretty simple. It's really not too complicated. You might run into some snags along the way, like your one rotor might get stuck and you might have to spray it with penetrating oil, spray it full and get a hammer and pop it off, but still not too bad. So now I'm gonna go bed the brakes. I gotta drive 60 miles an hour, then brake hard. I think I have to do that like 3 or 4 times. I have to look up what the process actually is. But yeah, I'm gonna go bed them, and then it's done. But that's gonna be it from me for this short little video, guys. Hopefully these brakes don't make that annoying sound anymore. Peace out, and until the next stream, though, boys. Until the next stream. Deuces.